everyone, today we'll be making an Asian side dish, baby bok choy or pak choy in garlic oyster sauce. I love having this dish with jasmine or sticky rice, mushroom and black bean sauce, and Korean beef barbecue. But you can pair it with whatever you like. Besides bok choy or pak choy, you can also use this recipe for choy sam or Chinese broccoli. Here is a list of what you will need. Heat oil in a skillet or wok set over medium heat. When the oil starts to shimmer, add your chopped garlic and stir fry for about a few seconds. After about 15 seconds, add a quarter cup of water just to ensure that the garlic does not burn, but it continues cooking. Next, add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 3 teaspoons of oyster sauce. Stir to combine everything. Let it cook for a few more minutes until the garlic is nice and soft and fragrant, and raise the heat to high. Add another quarter cup of water and keep stirring. Let this cook for another minute or two, and then you can go ahead and add your bok choy. Add a quarter cup of chopped chive, taste for salt and adjust accordingly. You will know when the bok choy is finished when it has softened nicely at the base, that's the white areas, and also the leaves. And at the very end, when it's almost finished cooking, or when it's finished cooking, go ahead and add sesame oil. I've added 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Because cooks value sesame oil for its flavor and fragrance, toasted sesame oil is used in Asian cooking as a seasoning rather than cooking oil. Hence, it is best sprinkled sparingly over the food towards the end of cooking or just before serving. Now remove the bok choy from the skillet or wok and place on a warm platter. Next, drizzle some of the reserved sauce over the greens and serve. It is best served hot or slightly warm. And that's it. This is among the easiest, most flavorful preparations of greens imaginable, and it pairs beautifully with almost any Asian meat or fish. It is exceptional on its own with rice. If you don't have bok choy, then swap it out for broccoli or chard or beet greens. So try it out, let me know if you like it, and see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.